Sorry again about the wind. It was dying down and being nicer to me. Okay. So the tool actually ratchets super smooth and it doesn't fight you when you're wanting it to ratchet. It does way better than I thought it was. But like I said, the rubber parts are really hard to deal with to get them to come off. That was the easiest one yet. But you have to pry to get it to come off. Take a look at those holes real quick. No oil leaking in there, that's good. That's good. All right. So the tool actually ratchets super smooth and it doesn't fight you when you're wanting it to ratchet. It does way better than I thought it was. But like I said, the rubber parts are really hard to deal with to get them to come off. That was the easiest one yet. But you have to pry to get it to come off. Take a look at those holes real quick. No oil leaking in there, that's good. That's good. All right. I just want to show you real quick how easy this is. So if there's claims to strength or accurate, that's good because that's without supporting it with a really loose spark plug, and I can just work away. I mean, that really beats the Duralast that I'm comparing it to. Duralast doesn't cost as much though. A little bit of rust in these wells. Okay. Yeah, but that's going to do. I took another look at these spark plugs, and the ones coming out, they're not all the same make. They literally, so far, have every other spark plug in there made by the wrong people. Alright, one more spark plug to go. And they're all going to be the right part number with me doing it. Gotta have a good, trustworthy mechanic. Oh wow, assuming that the first cylinder on the right is number 4 and the second one in is 3, I think it's just really worn down, like it lost its tip. Because this second one actually is shaped correct. And they both say that they're Denzos. The difference being that tip difference. Wow, that is a huge tip difference. This car's going to run a lot better without that problem. Wow, it runs so much smoother. Okay, here's some English about it, or Great Britain as they would say. Compact socket with 3/8 ratchet of CRV steel, chrome vanadium steel, 24 pieces. Okay, ratchet forged from one single piece with push button for quick release and handy grip of all oil and acid. It's got thermoplastic rubber with hole for hanging. Sockets 6, 7, 8, and 10. That's really small for 3/8, isn't it? One each 76 and 250 millimeter T-piece extensions. Oh, those are like the short extension and the long extension. All components of optimum surface protection, double nickel plating, and single chrome plated finish in a sturdy powder coated steel box. Cool. Advantage this one has is you don't have to guess. Look at the numbers. They are on the box. You don't have to guess where they are based on size. So that's easy if you do have a spill. First time I saw the name, I thought, wait, haven't I heard of Proxxon? Very expensive tools. What's this Proxxon? Be sure to get out there and work on something. In the meantime, if you still want to keep on watching, up here is going to be the most related video. Down here is going to be the video that YouTube thinks you'd like best. And right here, stick me in the eye and subscribe. Get out there and work on something.